Liberty House is a 501c3 nonprofit corporation that was started in 1999 by community leaders who were learning that across the country there was research that was evolving about how best to respond when there are concerns of maltreatment regarding children. So, just as a little bit of a heads up to anybody who might be watching or listening, our mission involves providing medical and therapeutic mental health services for children referred for concerns of child abuse. So, I always like to say ahead of time so people kind of know what's coming, because it isn't fun to be listening to something and then also all of a sudden hear things that are kind of hard to hear. And what I've learned in the time that I've been at Liberty House is that it's a really common experience. It's a very widespread part of just being alive and being human. Certainly, if we think of a continuum of difficult things that we experience as humans, like grief for one, right? All of us have people who've died in our lives, and we grieve them, we mourn them, we miss them. But on the other end of the continuum are bad things that have been done to us. And when it involves children, if that was our experience as a child, that can be kind of hard. So I just kind of want to not bury the lead and say what we try to do at Liberty House, and I'll explain a little bit more how, is make it safe to talk about, help people understand that there are really important things that we can do as grown-ups to help prevent, important things kids can do to protect themselves online. And most importantly, that if that creates trauma, a sense of just overwhelm in all of your senses because of what you've experienced, that trauma can be healed. And that trauma does not have to have the last word. It doesn't have to control the rest of your life.